snitch to it, you fuck.
This is what happens when you put $1 in a broken machine for an air freshener.
Do I have 2 more in there? I don't think I do.
Round 2. Anywho, so this fool got, oh, you can't even see it really. Oh, and it's got red lights. Okay, that doesn't help me not one bit. But he's got a cool little Nismo shift knob. He just put his new InGen short ram intake, and we're about to go put on his Stillen catback exhaust pipes, the True Dual, and we're about to go to Autovault, you know, to go hook that up. By the way, you also check out Autovault. I'll put their page right there for you to go follow. Dude, what is this? What?
Clean them off tip.
Just cleaning your tips?
Tip? No, just my tip. 1 by 1.
It's just gonna get dirty after like, oh, that's what you needed.
He grabbed it, I was like, yes.
He's like, I can go clean my glass now.
Does it look polished? It doesn't look too polished. That way. Straight. Straight. Alright, hold on. Stop. Stop. Go back real quick. Switch forward. Alright. See where you're at. Okay, come up.
Oh, one last time. That's gonna change real quick. Dang, wish I had this, man, when I did my exhaust. That'd make life easy. Well, that was pretty easy.
Got in my eye. My eye. My eye. My eye. My eye.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it, dude. Remember, started before it's actually on it.
Want me to do it? Want me to do it?
You can do it. You got it. Okay, you're perfect. You don't have to shake it. Stop. Keep going. You got a long way to go. You got a long way, Bubba.
Yeah, let me do it.
No, let him do it. You let him do it. You gotta learn. Keep going. Why are you stopping?
Keep going until it cuts off. Yeah.
Oh, fuck, I am. Oh, shit. Oh, well. It's not my car. Okay, no. Now it's hard to get an angle.
Like this. Why are you picking up?
What? Oh, it's hot. Let me pick it up. There you go.
Pat, you gonna be able to do that? Because it's waiting for me.
Where'd that 14 go?
Alan bapped his head on the lift. Hey, but at least you got the whole exhaust off.
Come on.
Ooh.
I'm gonna need you.
Ooh. Oh wait, it's over there. Update. We got it bolted, not bolted, but like slightly on. Still in dual exhaust, you know, you feel? We're almost there.
Still, bitch.
Tell him how much you bought this for.
$1,200.
Used.
I should have right off.
Yeah, and for our hands too, so like we don't get all dirty. Hey, but shout out to Audible for letting us use their facility. By the way, it's Alan's dad that owns this entire place. Or uncle. His uncle.
Shout out Audible.
Shout out Audible.
For any of your tint, wrap. What else do they do here?
Tint, wrap.
Car. If you want a car, they do auctions and shit like that. Storage. Hit them up. Autovault by Sacramento. I don't know the address.
Oh, they also do lip kits.
Yes, they do.
Well, I mean, I can just put their Instagram like right there, and they can go look at it.
Alright. Sexy ass bitches. Turn the music off. Turn your copyrighted.
Alright, we are finally done with this Dylan exhaust that was wanting to be a piece of crap to put on. No offense, Alan. But other than that, it looks pretty freaking saucy though. It looks pretty cool. Now we just gotta fire it up. We gotta clean up all of this.
That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man.
It's like pretty cool, man.
It's pretty cool, dude.
Pretty cool, man.
Are you gonna put your stock exhaust back in your car?
We don't need to hear until my dad can get up.
Alright, cool. So we'll update you guys, or not update, but you'll see it when we lower it, what it sounds like. It better sound good, to be honest.
It looks good.
It does look good.
It looks clean as fuck, right? I'm not gonna lie. Like at first I was kind of like, damn, it's not aggressive. You feel me? Like it's like.
Yeah, but it looks pretty cool.
Looking at it, I'm like, damn, it's like subtle but classy. You feel me?
Subtle but classy.
Classy prostitute.
Alright, so this fell off your exhaust a while ago.
A new one?
No, yeah, old one.
The old one? I don't care the old one. Put that shit in the box. You put it in the box.
Alright. Alright, I'll put the old exhaust in the box real quick.
Alright, do that shit.
Alright, cool. Cool, cool. Just waiting, you know. We just wanted to see this thing, or not see this thing, hear this thing. We Jay chilling right now.
It ain't gonna sound like that. Sounds in and out close.
1:30 in the morning.
To all you out there, get your friend like Robert. He helps you no matter what.
Yeah. Not like Warren.
Not Warren. Don't give yourself a Warren. Warren don't do shit. He just stands around.
And does homework and leaves us for his girlfriend.
I'm scared.
Do me a favor, put your foot on there until you get some of that.
I mean, you could probably delete the resonators, but it sounds pretty good though. I mean, the higher you get RPMs, the louder it gets.
I don't hear it inside the car, no.
The stock exhaust sounded better. No.
Just out here vlogging, checking out his new exhaust, and then BAM! Dude gets pulled over right in front of us as he just finished revving.
Boss